Hi guys, my name is Pinky Maniri and I own ipinoymarketplace.com.ph. It's a free classified ads website that I launched in January of 2013. A little bit about myself. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, and I also did my graduate school in Systems Engineering. I'm a mother of three kids. I used to teach computer science back in the days in the university in the Philippines. And right now, I am based in the United States. The website is being hosted in the US. My team is actually maintaining that website, also based in the United States. The sole purpose of the website is to hopefully help and of value to many Filipinos around the world, especially to those who are in the Philippines. We take every effort to make sure that you guys will have a safe environment, safe experience while being on the website. So just make sure that you have read the terms and condition of the website. The how to be safe online guidelines is also on the website. And the website has seven categories. We do have the buy and sell, jobs, services, communities, properties, vehicles, and business opportunities. I did design the website. I did the planning. I did the implementation. I had a team of coders when we finalized the website. And believe it or not, it's over. No, it's not even a year now. The website have been really performing very well, and I appreciate all of you who are on the website, who are already using the website. And if you know somebody who might, or any family members who might, benefit from the website, please just share the website to them. I appreciate you guys being there, and I want to let you understand that we manually check all the postings on that website, meaning to say it may take 24 to 48 hours for the post ads to go live on the internet. The very reason is because there are many stuff that the website doesn't accept. We do have many stuff that we do not accept being posted on the website. So we make sure that uh, your posting follows our guidelines. So, if you have any questions or any concern regarding your experience, regarding your, logging in on the website, please don't hesitate to contact me. Or my team is always here to help you. If there is any concern, we can always resolve that. Again, my only purpose of launching this website is to serve every Filipinos around the world, especially the ones in the Philippines. So again, I would like to thank you and I appreciate you guys being there. Maraming salamat po. Ito po ay para sa ating mga Pilipino. Sana po ay makatulong sa maraming tao, hindi lang po sa mga taong gusto magbenta, kundi dun din po sa mga taong may hinahanap. The good thing about the website is that I made sure that you can refine your search. Meaning to say, for instance, if you're looking for a property or you're looking for a house, you can actually refine your search by you can search by city, you can search by province, you can search by number of bedrooms, you can search by number of bathroom. It is a very user friendly website, so you will never get lost. It is so easy to use. Again, if you have any suggestions, any comments regarding the website, I welcome it. I am always ready to make changes if it has to be done. Uh, again, I hope you guys are having a good experience when using the website. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, and para po sa atin ito.